In this video, I will show you how to connect Facebook Messenger with Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho Desk account. Now on the top right corner, click on the Settings button. Once you're in your settings board, scroll down to the Integration section and click on Marketplace. At the top right of your Marketplace screen, you will see a search bar. Type in Facebook and hit Search. You should see a card named WasTel Platform Integration for Zoho Desk. Click on it to open the details page. Next, click on the Install button. A pop-up will appear showing the terms of service and privacy policy. Check both boxes and click Install again. You will then be redirected to another screen where you need to confirm the terms of use once more. After confirming, click on Install, select Support Administrator as the access level, and hit Install one final time. And that's how to connect Facebook Messenger with Zoho Desk.